G'day viewers, well my parcel from Rustymotor arrived. Been so flat out of work I didn't remember to get to the bloody post office in time. Being closed. Closes when I finish, but lucky I got mum to go past for me when she finishes work early. A meter has sent me. Been meaning to send this one for a while. This is the other smashed one, so I'm going to fix that up. They sent me some more cool stuff. Some pornography. Ooh. 5.1 kV cap. Made in USA, Maxwell, the same company that makes my super caps. Ultra capacitors. 5.1 kV, 34 microfarad. This is MOT material. One for the MOT, perfect range for that. Beautiful. 7.5 kV, 52 mega ohm resistor, I think it is. There'll be some fun things to do with that one. Some vintage starters, some Vemco starters. I think he's done some videos on these. Nice. Some more stuff in here. I wonder what this is. Oh, a Marx generator. It's better not touch this in case he's used it. It's got charge in it. A Marx generator, or voltage multiplier, or voltage multiplier. Cockworth Wharton. Yeah, that's it. Same principle as a bug zapper I took apart uses. Ground and high voltage. Voltage multiplier, so I've got to get the 15 kV range. He's made this himself. Good work, wow. Looks homemade anyway. No, it's probably salvaged from something. It's been salvaged from something. Wow. Have some fun with that one. I'll read this note later. High and low, which is a voltage multiplier. You can compact to a connect to a flyback. ZVS, it will produce over 70 kV, and it was from a dental X-ray head. Best to put it in oil. Yeah. Got to get me some oil for this. Don't want to get too excited to run it in air and blow it up. And also you got the meters there. Let's get this out more, shall we? I'll need 2 amps for this. Let's have a look at this Watthour meter. Yeah, the wheel will. No, she'll go. She'll loosen up. She's going to go. Numbers are loose. Yeah, she'll go alright. She'll go, definitely. She'll need a real good clean, but she's a goer. Get that circuit board to clean up and get this thing going again. Another project. The capacitor from a medical defibrillator. Beware, very dangerous when charged. Death assured. 34 microfarad, 5.1 kV. 33.7 microfarad as measured capacitance. Red is positive, take note of that. Black, negative. So I need a good rectifier for this, for a MOT. High voltage, a decent high voltage rectifier. 4-wave, don't just make a half wave one. I'm going to make a high voltage rectifier from a MOT for this. It can blow things up. The high voltage charge stored in this capacitor is lethal and may be retained for long periods. To avoid any danger of shock from the capacitor has to be discharged before handling. This capacitor contains no PCBs. That's just good. This is a voltage multiplier from, yeah, that's what it was, that's that. Very well made. It's obviously custom homemade job, but for the dental company that made this. Got some Vemco starters made in USA. SA, what's that brand's that one? Regent Lighting, made in Korea. Ooh, made in Denmark, Newark, England, or Netherlands or something. Nice. Nice starters. A great way to start my collection of starters. Love those vintage starters. Nice. Okay. More stuff. I got some decent heat shrink and some more of these little adapters. I'm going to use just a little adapter to make my aux line input cables longer and use my other leads that have a smaller end on them. Got that connector which should, I think it's the right one for this. For the other one. Alright, that's alright. I'll make another connector to go to the 5-volt rail. Should have bought another one. I might go back tomorrow after work, get another one that's this size. I can run this charger and make another adapter on that on the 5-volt rail. So one of this one, I'll put another one of those connectors on here for 5 volts. So I've got a beefy 5-volt supply for things like this that's needed. I got something that needs it anyway. I got something that's 5 volts that needs that size connector. That's why I bought it. Anyway, some decent tinning stuff. We're going to use that later. And the this meter's going to be a goer. Yeah, a lot of grass and dirt in there from the middle of Australia. Aussie red lime outback in here. Look at that. Been out in the elements in the harsh Aussie outback. Made in Australia to our conditions. It's a shame it doesn't do it anymore. It's good when Australia made things like this. Very, very reliable stuff. I just dusted it out. Get the wheel moving really freely. No obstructions in the mechanics, and do an accuracy load test on it as it is, I think. I gotta get a lot of crap out of this to do that though, because any slight interference in the mechanism can give me an error in the reading. It's a 2.5 15 amp seed current transformer, 1.250 milliamp per pulse. Pulse of what? I don't know, because it uses a different connector for this circuit board, which goes to a remote unit to pulse. I don't know they're in this one. 266.6 per kilowatt hour, 3 phase, 4 wire, 50 Hz, 240 volt. Watthour meter type SDMPH. This is done by Juvenile. The original was on detention. It wasn't done by the scrappers that threw the old switchboard out. This smash is done by Juvenile Aboriginal kids in detention. There's a bit of a story on about the detention, some of the detention centres in Australia. So yeah, and you can see there. That disc should clean up okay. Yeah. Bit more dirty and rusty than the other one, but she's a goer. I have faith in Australian engineering. So I won't be able to use this till I get some good decent oil for it. If it flashes over, it's going to make a carbony mess and short everything out. Might have to make a little spark gap for this, and it goes in here and it ends in that middle diode, I think, where that thing stops. That's the output. Now have some fun with that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.